Good afternoon. This is John Gulley, preparing his assignment for Module 7 for the research concept paper, subject matter keys to success, the doctoral dissertation process. I'm using the Explain Everything app with an imported keynote, and this will be uploaded via YouTube. So the 3 keys to success I outlined in my paper for Module 6 were time management, effective guidance and mentorship, passion, drive for the subject matter, and we'll talk about grit as well. So these are the 3 areas we'll cover. Hopefully I don't go over 2 minutes, but it is possible that occurs. Alrighty, first one, time management. Obviously all professionals in any kind of field or research or education or being a student, all the above, time management is crucial to success in all these endeavors. And the doctoral dissertation process is no different. So it's important to have a plan to figure out exactly from the start, what you're getting into, what's going to be required. You can't really go by the seat of your pants. Breaking down the process into manageable chunks, figuring out what you need to do throughout the week, and balancing this with your daily life. For instance, I'm currently a principal at a pre-K through 8 school, so I have to take time throughout my week and ensure I schedule several blocks, several hours, and different nights, and Saturday and Sunday, to ensure I have enough time to accomplish the tasks that are assigned and required for me to be successful. One interesting quote I put in there was, manage the time available, don't wish or try to find more time. Time is relative. We can have that discussion, but time is time of the week, and it's important we manage the time that is available to us. And patience and execution. You can't procrastinate. You have to have patience with the time that you have and execute when you have the opportunity. Effective guidance and mentorship. This was huge in my life at all stages of my career. If you're lost, a mentor can guide you. If you're lost, they can provide you guidance to get you in the right direction. They can provide encouragement and motivation and truly make you feel like you're not alone. The American College of Education has been fantastic in doing this for me. Speaking with different people that are in the class, and the professors, when we had conferences and phone calls in the past, it's truly been reassuring to know that I'm not alone and people do care about my well-being and want to help me. People who've been there, done that can help you out. I have a mentor here locally that I've spoken to who has an EDD, and he has given me valuable mentorship and guidance as he's been there and done that. And they're outside of the bubble of what I'm doing, which gives you a fresh perspective with no filters or fear of rejection from your professor or something like that. And the third value is passion and drive for the subject matter. If you're not motivated, I was in the Army for 4 years, and they used to always say to us, are you motivated? If you're not motivated, things just don't get done in a manner of excellence. They might get done, they might get accomplished, but not in the manner or the standard that's required of the 21st century. You have to stay motivated. So you need to find a subject matter that you're passionate for, that you're involved, engaged in, and it's not just checking a box on a checklist. Balancing everything requires more than you just saying, yes, I'm going to accomplish this. There's got to be a reason. There's got to be a why. I mean, the investment of time and life sacrifices that people in these programs are making, as well as the professors, the amount of time they spend reading and editing and things like this, it's truly essential that there's a why, there's a drive, there's a passion for what we're doing in the subject matter. And without that, you may accomplish the task, but not with success or excellence, which is truly the standard at the American College of Education. And last but not least, grit. It is so unbelievably ironic. One of my teachers last week actually shared the link from Angela Duckworth to the school, and I couldn't believe it. It was the same week that we were looking at it. I'm like, the irony was really neat. So, grit is something that we've all known about for a long time, and some people have it, some people don't. And I was trying to reflect on this today and actually putting it into words for people to understand, and actually, giving great example of perseverance and being passionate about what you do is a great way to remind people to truly, people that are in a rut or in a consistent, long-standing term of something that's just not going well. It's a great way to remind us that, perseverance and passion of what we do is something that helps us to achieve our goals, to keep us going when things are tough, and allows us to overcome obstacles that, quite frankly, other people might not be invested in us accomplishing our goals. So grit is a part of all 3 of those matters of success that I talked about, and it's impossible to complete this process successfully without grit. So thank you for listening, and have a great week.